Alright, I'm here at our Amada CMB 75. This is a 75 millimeter saw. We're making a cut in roughly 5 seconds. The parts that are coming off are probably about a 10 microfinish. And I set it at 0. You can see that. So it's kind of an engineering marvel. I don't understand a saw that is rotating the blade at 40 RPMs can cut through this 2-inch bar stock and not have any coolant and create these chips. Obviously all the heat's going into the chip. We get about 25,000 cuts per blade, and it's just an engineering marvel to me, so I like to show people. We have 2 of these saws. And as you can see, we cut a lot of stock every day. We also use these saws as the machine finish, so we're not actually cutting this surface again. We come down with a Renishaw probe, touch it, call that 0-1 hit. That saves us a lot of time and money. So, Joel Montague from Montague Tool. Bye-bye.